Are you tired of creating some boring melodies, or you have some nice melody, but you just need to tweak it in such a way that it sounds amazing? So today I'm going to be showing you how you can do that right in any DAW you're using. So without wasting time, let's go. The good people at Lunacy Audio sent me this amazing bundle for me to show you guys what these plugins can do, and I'm going to be using it on this beat I'm working on and showing you guys how you could take a very boring melody and just make it really, really interesting. But I'm just gonna play this nice whistle I did. Yeah, so the whistle is actually very nice, but with these amazing plugins, the Beam plugin, you can actually do a lot. You can take your melody from just sounding basic to something really interesting, something really, really complex. So I'm just going to be opening some of the plugins. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is this Volt. For me, I just even love the interface. So we'll just be going through the presets, because for me, whenever I get a new plugin, I just try out the preset, and most times the preset just gives me what I actually want. So let's just be going through some of the presets. So let's see. So you can see how we're just changing it. So let's go back. And trust me, you could use this on any, melody plugin, even on your drums. Sometimes it's just good to try out different things. You never know what is just going to give it that spark, give it that uniqueness. So yeah, so this is the Volt. And like I said, it has lots of presets you could pick from. You also have the Beam Time. So yeah, let's try this. This is called Beam Time. And I'm just going to turn it on. Oh, I think I like what this is doing. Ooh, I like how it's taking the whole stuff back and forth. It's just randomly, moving it, selecting different region of the sample. Oh, I love this preset. I love this particular preset. So I'm just gonna hit on favorite. I'm actually gonna favorite that. Let's see back and forth. Let's see another one. Damn, I love this. I love this. Let me also favorite it. Let's see this bold colored. Yeah, I love this. You see, you can just pick a portion of your song, maybe where you just want the drums to be really hard, change the groove. You could just load a plugin like this and it gives you that in no time. No, I love this. I love this. And they also have a lot. They have the beam taps also. So let's go over this and just see what that. So they have the beam grains, the beam haze, the beam space, a lot. Let's see what this sounds like from here. So these are definitely presets that you could just try out on different things. It doesn't just have to be the melodies. You could also try it on the drums, right? Then they have, like I said, they have the beam filter, the beam grains, the beam haze, the beam space, the beam taps, beam time, the beam volt. I can't go through all of them, but you guys get the idea. And finally, I'm just going to look at this beam. So this beam has a lot of preset on it already, man, and I just love the interface. So let's just go. You can see over the preset we have different categories of presets you could pick from. You have particle spray, pad movement, ambient spaces, drum wrap, vocal expander, sound like. Let's go to the subtle magic. So let me bring out the guitar too. Yeah, so you can just see how you just give it something different, give it nice textures, and you can just take a very, very boring, simple melody into something just amazing, right? Nice. So there are lots of presets you could actually just pick from. But for me, I'm just gonna go turn on the time because I really love what the time is doing on this particular melody. You could try it on your own melody, like give you something totally different. So let's see. So let's bring the drum. So instead of just having the flute just play all around, you have something amazing like that. So guys, the link to check this out is going to be in the description. Amazing filter plugins you definitely want to use to take your melody from sounding so basic to, something amazing. And also the Lunacy team also, sent me this amazing plugin called Cube. It has tons of amazing presets you definitely want to check out. And I'm going to just preview few of the presets so you hear what it sounds like. And in case you want to get it for yourself, like I said, the link is going to be in the description of this video. You definitely want to go cough it out for yourself. It has amazing, trust me, it has amazing melodies. So I'm just going to go through the presets. You can see it has tons of amazing presets. Like when will you be done going through all of this, man? This is loaded. This is loaded. So I've just gone through just a few and just, added a few so you could hear what it sounds like. Yeah, let me just increase the gain so you hear. Oh, can you hear this? Like tons of presets we could go over. We have also candlelight. Tons of preset, like I don't think I can even go through all, but there are preset there for you to play around with, and you have this orbit where you could just move things around, in 3D space. I love this. So yeah, man, you definitely want to go check out these amazing plugins. And like I said, they're actually doing a Christmas, or the end of the year discount. So you want to go copy it for yourself. The link is in the description. This is one way you could actually just take your melodies from sounding very boring, very basic to something just complex and amazing. So yeah, man, I'm just gonna play this beat for you guys to enjoy, and see you guys, in the next video. Alright guys, thank you for watching. You definitely want to go check out the Lunacy collection, the amazing collection, the Beam and the Cube collection. Link below the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you got something from this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. See you guys in the next one. Peace.